I'm still traveling on the roads that I used to travel on when I was a student and I went to high school. I am still traveling on the roads that are the easiest roads to seal in the whole country. I'm still traveling on those roads that were not sealed, even though BCL, or the copper mine, was Bougainville for 25 years and helped to bankroll independence for this beautiful nation that I still call my country. Why na you penaplo talk? Thank you, the Bougainville na sili monorod. Sili monorod, but me plama must thank you. All love me play it. It's okay. But you failed to actually do that before the referendum took place. You failed to do that. Had you come on board when the peace was broken, had you come on board from that time, Prime Minister, had you come on board, if you were the Prime Minister at that time, I'm sure you would have done Silim Gata Road Bougainville mainland, Silim Blabuka Island, giving more people the atolls the sheep. You would not have seen what you saw in 2019. The 97 vote was vote blanc koros na vote blanc soreya. What do you expect me to say here? What do you expect me to say here, my Prime Minister? I'm sitting here, I'm missing up here, Prime Minister Blomi. I love you, my Prime Minister, you're my brother. Me movie come here so I can sit here and shoot from here to you. That's why me come here, me not losing you because you're not good leader, man. I felt I am comfortable on this side to be able to express my soul. Thank you. Me put him two hand when me go on top, now me talk all some time, me talk to something, please. Don't make fun of what we are going through. Don't make fun of my tears. Don't make fun of my brokenheartedness. If you gave me a whole day to talk about the stories that my people went through, you won't even believe it. You might talk, give him all independence now because of the way we were treated, of the way my sisters were treated, of the way my women were treated. How could you do that to me? How could my own country do that to me? How could you do that to me? When I trusted you, I begged world independence for PNG. I see those roads, the most difficult roads to see. You don't even see my roads. You better talk with me, but you better talk with me. One is something, but you better talk with me. Prime Minister, Honorable Marape, Yupla, Losai Blong government. Thank you, Yupla, around this law. God faith, thank you. I think Papa got to Franco Francisca Samosa, you starting blow to Lotete, and let this discussion be the discussion. Let this discussion be the discussion. People, mamas cry because people are crying, people picking him up. We openly weep because we give birth to life. We openly weep for this nation because we give birth to life. We are special because for 9 months we feel 2 heartbeats, 2 broken hearts. For 9 months we got 4 eyes looking at everything that's happening, good or bad. For 9 months we feed 2 mouths. For 9 months we got 2 feet that doing pity pity pata 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 pata. You know, we want to walk, we want to do the right thing. Me no talk because me got cross you. Me talk because I want you to feel me. I want you to have passion for me. I want you to have such a real me. My people and the adults, they can sit on the island of Motlop Tasman feeding cartridges and Nissan for years and months without any ship going there. Amas boti kapsait lo solwara. How could you not even care and love me? Governor Wenge, you look, now you sorry Lomina, you look Lomina, but you make it one name. But you turning it around. Thank you for being the voice when we have kept quiet for some time. Me no got money talk long. I think for the first time, me having this land, I mean like it too, but you feeling what we're feeling. I honor every leader that's sitting on this floor of Parliament. You blow walking Molsem, and you blow Bakarim Pen. Everybody in Bougainville is saying, what are these 4 members of Parliament talking about? Me to thank you, Lord. Pigini man blow me. The regional member blow me. Honorable Chamalili, for the first time, me had me talk. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, you talk. Member of South Bougainville, Honorable Matthew, thank you. Father Simon, thank you. Thank you, Lord, you blow. So at least you allow me to come up, so at least bail by me come down. At least the people of Bougainville are saying, finally we can hear somebody. Finally we can hear some people talk. Minister for Works, thank you for support, blow you. Thank you. Blow you by walking road, blow me. You know walking road, blow me. I'm trying to bail hard by me, blow you. This like you must kiss it. Me no looking first blow wheelbarrow or first blow one something iksanap long buka ring road na sanap long all get ready go come up long up midla ba fight. Midla ba fight ya. Me no marry si pig blow you marry buka midla ba fight ya. You go start mo kata road bill upside na road blow me lo buka na road blow me lo kata lo Bougainville. You must foul lick ya. Works Minister, thank you for support blow you. Prime Minister, thank you for support, blow you. Deputy Prime Minister, I've gone on the campaign with you and I saw you cry for my people. Thank you. The first Prime Minister that ever set foot on this island was you. And I told you, so thank you. Blow you come and tell me. Thank you, but you might go back and you buy helicopter, you might go to book, blow, picking you, blow me, blow me. Hello, Pinisim talk blow me, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Thank you, Lord, you giving me time. Suppose you're not going to give me time, but me go one, la bel kaskas for you. Me thank you again, Lord, get the chief inside this Parliament. I thank you for allowing us, let me play and debate in this law. I don't have to apologize for my tears. No need to. No need to. Time me, I want to hear me, I want to mark him all the time, Mary, Papua New Guinea. You lose him. All beginning belong all it's like big landslide. He come up outside. Governor Enga. So you put us. We look at you corner. Misa you peel in pen one people play me seems like heavy. Me mark him got a Mary lo Papua New Guinea too. All the heavy me look him inside life blow me put la time. Me like him you play all man lo parliament. All male parliamentarians. Please think lo me Paul Mary. And I think I said it last year. Inside the supplementary budget or budget back on my June one time. Put up some like money specifically belong on mama. Belong on SME belong all. Minister Windaki even to call some man divide him slamoy na me waiting met me counting me Christmas and by giving him Christmas present no. And to call some money blow SME van platanim na giving go one member. Now one member by him go along one online belong him. Honorable House, Honorable Deputy Speaker, thank you. Now God by bless you, Milo, give him little time.
Honorable Lobus and members.